Okay, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we're parting out a 78 Kawasaki KZ650C, stock number 6829. Okay, you're not going to ever hear this run again. We have a set of pipes that will be available as soon as we clean them up. But we're parting the bike out. Starter clutches are not necessarily a good thing on these, or we're going to show you this bike has a good starter clutch, and we're going to do a compression test on it. 32,950 miles, and here we go. Okay, we got close to 150 on number one. Two. Okay. What are we up to? 180.
We're a little past like 185. We're gonna come back to cylinder one at the end and see if it went up. I think everything's starting to move a little more freely now because we got nice good lube in there and stuff starting to seat.
Number three. I'm sorry.
About 180 again. So number 2 and 3 have really good compression.
And like Johnny was saying, the bike has been sitting for a while, so it's coming around. It's definitely coming around.
All right, number 2 and 3 were pretty good, about 180 apiece, and we'll see what number 4 is. Wow, number 4 is also very good. So we're gonna come back to number 1 again. I think it was a fluke because it hadn't turned over much, and now it's starting to get lubed up in there because we sprayed a lot of good penetrating oil in there. Come back to number 1 and see where we're at here. I think I'll take number 2. Yeah, we made it to about 150, but it might come in with time. Like the boss was saying, it's been sitting a while, so it's done.
So on this particular motor, we would sell this separately, or we'd sell the whole bike as is. As you see, it does have a good starter, does have a good starter clutch. We cannot guarantee it shifts. We don't know. But I feel as if the top end is good. There's no stuck valves or anything like that. So we just want to show you where we're at, and it's all available on our webpage. Okay, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. Earlier, we showed the compression on this motor. This is just a parts bike. I don't have a title for anything. We got it at an auction a long time ago. So we'd sell the whole bike as is for like $300 with no title. It's good for parts only. The meters don't appear to be too bad. There's no broken fins on the motor, and obviously we showed you a compression test earlier in the video. Wheels look like they're pretty decent. The starter clutch works, which is added plus to this. I don't know the condition of this motor, but as we showed, it has really good compression on all 4 cylinders. I will part this out if someone's interested in it. We got some parts here on the ground for it, for the brakes and stuff. Got a few things here, a few things there. But anyway, thanks for looking at our stuff, and good luck with it. Thanks.